Waking up on time is an important part of the daily routine for most individuals. However, conventional alarm clocks that rely solely on auditory stimulation often fail to awaken deep sleepers or those who habitually ignore the sound of the alarm. This limitation has led to the exploration of alternative and more effective wake-up mechanisms. Spiritsbuzz introduced an innovative alarm clock design that incorporates a water spray mechanism to complement traditional sound-based alarm. Therefore, we introduce Spiritsbuzz.
So, for our market potentials, we are gonna target for students and teenagers, especially for boarding schools. Students and teenagers need to wake up early so that they can go to schools early and they can do something small or nice. Distribute stores, campus stores, online supermarkets, and department stores so the students can buy from that shops. This is the reason why our products are very suitable for them to use so that the efforts in their daily life will run smoothly.
Now, let us look at the advantages of our product. First, effective for individuals who have difficulty waking up because it combines sound and touch stimulation to ensure the user wakes up on time. Second, customizable settings allows users to set the alarm time and water spray intensity and other options through a mobile application. Third, uses minimal amount of water spraying and ensuring sustainability. Next, let us look at the disadvantage of our product. First, water spray system requires regular maintenance to ensure they function properly and are free from clogging. Second, although it uses less water, it still requires a consistent source of water, which may be inconvenient for some users. Third, there is a possibility of leakage or spillage of water that can damage furniture or electronic equipment nearby. Lastly, development costs and prices may increase due to the use of additional technologies such as sensors and others.
Through the process of problem solving, mechatronics design and manufacturing was chosen as a combination to produce our product, Spiritsbuzz. Our products can overcome and solve the problems that occur among teenagers so that they can wake up at the right time and not disrupt the flow of the day. Waking up early helps us launch daily affairs. With this product, we can wake up earlier at the right time because there's a combination of a loud bell sound and a fresh water spray. By using this product, customers can be more punctual and smart.
That's all from us.